Ah! Is the music too loud? Does it sound too loud? Is it too loud to me? I don't know. Music, check, check. Desktop audio. Let's turn it down right here. There we go. Okay. I guess that's good. I suppose that's good. Then I can turn it up there. Okay. All right, let's see what we can do. Excuse me. And what are those? What is that, by the way? This is a mug of beer. But what is this? Those are all a 0, 0. Is it something not initializing? Oh, I forgot to look at the thing. So beam me up, Scotty. Walk forward, backward, left, right. Take screenshot, inventory crafting. Full screen, windowed. Okay. Okay, so basic objectives, we want to display these things, but where do we want to put them? What do we want to do? Like, the idea is here. I'm thinking we could put it just right up here. But will that be too much in the way, do you think? Should I put it down in the bottom corner? And then when you're on a planet, what's a good spot? Is in the bottom corner also gonna work? I don't know. Yeah, there's something going on with those blocks that are 0, 0. I don't know what that is, but Let's see if we can figure that out, I guess. So it's got to be in the init data. So t equals so 90,000, and then how many here? Oh, I know. That's what the problem is. So voxel index plus plus. We want to keep track of that and only draw the blocks we populate from the image. Ah. Ba, 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 ba. So let's remember this and go up here. Initialize to 0. And then when we render, excuse me, my voice is weird today, I think. I don't know. When we render, should we do that here? Is that correct though? Because don't we have 40 for the minerals. So we go through the blocks here. And that's 90,000, and then the minerals we go through 40. So the voxel index should be, actually, yeah, Jeff, what are you doing? Wait, minerals, temp block position. Wait a minute. Oh, it draws the minerals as a separate array. Why don't you just put them all into the same array? Jeff, what have you done? What have you done? That's crazy. That's crazy. But actually, well, that's still, that won't affect the voxel index and what I want to use it for. So here the voxel index. Oh, I see. So I use it for that. And then when I call this function every frame, so voxel index is going to get out of control. Okay, so we need a new variable. Blocks to draw. Actually, 90,000 plus 40 plus, how many was it? 10,240. We just need to count this right here. Also, is it loading this every frame? I didn't think about that. It is. I think for now we'll keep it because it's kind of a thing, but whatever. Okay, I'm lost now, so let's take that out and put it back the way it was. So here, we don't put all of the pixels on the screen, so we need to count how many pixels there are here. So what is this? Blocks to draw starts at that. Okay. And then this was what? Oh, I was going to do a bunch of them. Okay, but whatever. Let's just do this one. So what we want to know through here is voxel index, we can keep that in there, but we want to count, let's just call this, blocks to draw starts at 90,040. Okay, so right here, blocks This is a little bit whatever. So then what we want to do in the render function is draw, see, we don't want to draw all those. We want to draw 90, 40 plus blocks to draw. I wondered where those blocks came from. Okay, are we good now? There's no extra. Right, there was something there. See, there's something there. What's actually going on? There's massive lag. Why is there massive lag there? It's still drawing a bunch of blocks like that right there. Ah. Why? Okay, I'm editing the right file. Oh, because the number of blocks to draw is going up each frame, isn't it? Alright, I'm an idiot, and that's getting out of hand. So here, we just need to go blocks to draw equals 0. Since it's doing this every frame, which I really should have thought about that, but... Alright. It'll be better. It'll be better now. We're breaking things. So that was crazy. So now, how many, is that just an extra block? I don't get it. I think it's because... But it starts at 0. I tell you what, for now let's take this out. Let's take this out. I know. Well, 147 has it. See how I am? I'm a pack rat. I hate to delete code there, so it's not, I'm not letting myself delete it. Oh, we don't want to load it either. We don't want anything to do with that. Alright. So we're just not going to mess with that. It's a neat little nifty little thing, but whatever. Whatever. Take it out. Okay, this is good, but I'm not seeing the minerals. Interesting. So are the minerals like somewhere? No, there's that. What the heck? What the heck is that? Weird. So what am I getting that block for? Why is it still drawing that? Oh, I see. This is the first block for the text for the over the NPC text. Okay. But what? And it's drawing that I don't understand. Okay, now we're getting, what is this? No? Those aren't the minerals, though. Hold on. Let's go down to the lowest point. Okay. Shoot, I don't see any of them. Do we not even want to draw the minerals at this point? I don't know what's going on. $300 by 300 is 90,000, right? Every single one of them gets a position, color, yeah. Floor temp block I times 3 dot position dot y, so it's floored. And then mod 5. Sun. Wait, but the position isn't determined till right here. What the heck? Alright, I've kind of got this messed up, so let's go there. Take this out. Take that out. Color index equals that. Temp block equals there. That was majorly messed up. So that was weird. Okay. Not sure why I did that at one point, but that really messed it up. No wonder the colors weren't looking right for a long time. There we go. See, that's right. That's what they're supposed to look like. Okay. See, I'm still getting that. It was just right there. See, look. There's a block there. Maybe the minerals. Why are the minerals like this then? Weird. This is so weird. So there's all this. Okay, vertices, temp block, minerals. Oh, Voronoi. Yeah. Okay. All right. I guess that's okay for now. I don't understand why there's the black block. I guess it could be a thing, and then just if anybody sees it, I don't know. Because the minerals right now are just placeholders, and eventually we're just going to put stuff in here that's just different. Okay. So another thing I would like to look at, actually let's wait until we do the infinite terrain. But I would like to put in hills, mountains, valleys, and caves. Okay. So let's get back to what we were supposed to do here. What we were trying to do. What we're thinking we're going to do. What we're going to do. I don't really know. Oh wait, do I have... I don't even have a way to look at chat. I don't even have a way to look at chat. Sorry if I missed anybody. Hey. Sorry about that. Didn't have chat loaded. And I don't think that my TTS will speak emojis, so sorry about that. How are you doing? How are you doing? Okay, so let's get to the boring stuff here. Basic objectives tutorial. So we just want to tell the person fly through. Yeah, let's just put... So when we do this... When we do this, show tutorial window planet, show tutorial window space. So where are those called? In the do show space, show tutorial. Hold on. So this is in the show user stats. If show tutorial space, show tutorial window space. Show user stats. Ah, okay. What we could do is just show tutorial window space, okay? Because this one has a toggle. I don't think I ever toggle it off though, so that's good. And the show tutorial window planet. See, where does this get called? Do show planet. Okay, so it's show tutorial. Okay, so let's just create a new function, and we will put it inside here before we call end. Why do you call end right there? Show tutorial window planet. Where's the other one? All right. Okay. Sorry. Anybody else is there? Hello. How you doing? Welcome to the tutorial. Okay. So columns, separator. All right. That's an interesting sound effect for a song, don't you think? Just a crescent wrench. Interesting. Okay. So let's so what I'm wanting to do is just so set next window size, it does all this, and then end. Okay, so it begins. Okay, so is that all we need? And then show space. Let's look here. So show user stats. Okay. Not what I was thinking. Where's this called at? What am I doing? What am I doing? So in here you got show user stats. Wait. Oh, is it called from within show user stats? Okay, that's what I need to see then. Oh, Jeff, you need to comment these things. I'll come back and comment that if that's what it does, 'cause that's bad. That's something future me needs to know. Okay, so new frame, push font, IO, display size, main window, credits, minerals, ice. Okay, here it is. Okay, so alright, go back to where I was. Show user stats. Okay, so right here. So show user stats, okay, and then hold on, we'll come back to that. Show space, show planet. And then show tutorial window, okay, show tutorial planet. That's just the Boolean, okay. And then it does all this here, so. Okay, so basically I'm just freaking out about nothing, but what we can do is, with each one of those, what we want to do is just create a little add-on to the tutorial. I don't know. So let's just display the stuff and have a dismiss button and be done with it. Fly through asteroid resource fields in space to gather items for crafting and trade. WS controls. WS. Okay, W. Actually, let's just put that. Let's just put this. Leave out the controls because it's already displayed. Fly through the asteroid resource fields in space to gather items for crafting and trade. Escape will pretty much back out of everything. Okay. And then once they know that, they don't need to know it anymore, so they can dismiss it forever. Okay. I'm down for that. I'm down with that. Do we really need to display that until they dismiss it? And if so, do we just keep that going? Yeah. So the way we have it now is we have when you're in space, you show the tutorial and the user stats. When you go to the planet, you just show the tutorial. If you hit a key, you get the terrain GUI slider. So we want to change this. Is going to be different. This is going to be a window that shows in both space and planet. So all space and time. All right, so let's make that happen. How do we do that? So let's just do it for the space. Let's go back to do show space here. Do show space. Okay, show user stats. And that's right. Okay. Is that show user stats? All this, and I'm just getting started. I have no idea what I'm doing. Show tutorial space, show tutorial window space. Okay, remove this from here. So, the only difference between this, show tutorial space never gets turned off. Like, we'll save our spot there, but show tutorial space doesn't have the dismiss button anymore. I took it out. So the only thing to do, computer, right, for this tutorial is to close it like that. That's it. Oh, we can dismiss it. Wait, what? Oh, that's cool. Wait a minute. I think that's built into Imgui. I don't think that's show tutorial window space. Okay, now I'm completely baffled here. Hold on, show tutorial window space. Ah, right here. If Imgui begin tutorial, so that oh, so I took out the dismiss button, but I left the little button that, okay. Okay. Ay, this Imgui has so many options, okay. Alright, Imgui has so many options, that's cool. Okay, so we don't really need this show tutorial window space. I don't even know why we have that then, because we have the thing. We should call the function and let the Imgui take care of it. But for now, let's just go like this. Okay, so show let's call it show the quest. Should we call it show quests? Let's just call it show let's just call it show objectives tutorial. That way we know what it is. Okay. So we're going to do that like this show tutorial window space. We're going to make a function exactly like that. Where is show window tutorial space? Show window tutorial space. So let's just go right above it and we will make a new function here. We don't care. Okay, and we're in main, so there we go. Okay, so we just pretty much want to copy this step by step here. Set window size. That's what we want. Set next window position. Okay. So we don't really want it to be in the top. See, this is going to be the top left. We want it in the bottom left. So where's the bottom? Would be down here. So let's just go 800 for now. 800. See what that gets us. Then I like this. Okay, and how big is this? It's fine. Just copy this whole thing. If able beam. We can take that section out. Okay, so we can greatly reduce this down and delete that section in the middle there. But yeah, copy that otherwise. So otherwise we're going to just copy that. Let's take out this able beam. We don't need that. Okay, columns 1, separator, set window font scale. What are we doing? What's this one? P open. P open is undefined. What is P open down here? Parameter. Oh. Wait a second. Did I? Able beam I did. Show tutorial planet. But when do I ever set this? Actually, computer, just let me find. It doesn't occur anywhere else. We don't actually use it. So for now, let's not worry about that. Hold on here, what's the char name bool p open bool, wait, passing bool p open not equal to no shows a window closing widget in the upper right corner of the window, which clicking will set the boolean to false when clicked. Oh, so it's a global. Okay, duh. Alright, that makes sense. I like that. Okay, so let's make another one. Lord. Show objectives equals true. Okay, and then down here, Show objectives tutorial. Why are we passing it in as a parameter if it's global? Oh, is it? Did I give it this? What? Oh, it's just show objectives. Why did you go squiggly after I typed show objectives? See how my brain relies on Visual Studio and fails most of the time because of it? It's just not good. Okay, so begin tutorial. We're gonna go, we're gonna call this objectives. Quests, objectives, whatever. Set font, window font scale. I assume you're gonna go not squiggly on that. I don't know what you're doing. Okay, first thing we want, fly thrusters, boop, here. Welcome to the tutorial. No, we're just gonna put that in there. Okay, next, basic controls. No, we're gonna go. Escape will pretty much back out of everything. These are just little helper phrases. That's all we're going to display. Why did you do that? Why did it do that? Create two columns, forget all that. Separator, key, action. Forget it, forget it, forget it. Get rid of everything, computer. Boom. That's all we want. Why is it still squiggly? Oh, because it wants the address up to update the variable. I forgot. Okay, so that's actually cool. Let me make a note of that up here because when future me is gonna need to know that. Show tutorial boolean. Okay, note these booleans are passed in by reference. So Imgui will update their state. Okay, there we go. So show objectives. Okay. So all this, and so we're still. Are we good then? I copied everything. All right. So show tutorial window space. We have this right here. So show objectives tutorial. How do we get it to show in the planet at the same time? Oh, right here. Okay, so we just want to go if show tutorial planet. No. We just want to go right here. Show objectives tutorial. So that should show on the planet or space until the player dismisses it. Let's test. Oh, it didn't even compile. Whoa, tell me your troubles. Tell me the troubles. What? Here, show objectives tutorial identifier not found. What? Oh, did I not declare it up top? Too many variables here, Jeff. Yeah, it's not, doesn't exist. Doesn't exist. Ba 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 ba. Is it working? Did it work? Are we going? Okay, here we go. Ah, there we go. It's a little bit big. Fly through asteroid resource fields in space to gather items for crafting and trade. Okay, so it needs to be what? Twice the size? And then way smaller vertically. Okay. Twice the size, way smaller vertically. Computer. Show objectives tutorial. Boop. Okay. So window size. So twice the size. Let's go 725. And then let's just go 150 for the vertical. Okay. I like the position though. Maybe we can move it down slightly depending upon what the size of it looks like here. Just a second. Just a second. Just a second. Give me the mouse. Okay. Okay, that looks good. So yeah, we could move it down. We could make it even smaller and move it down. Okay. This feels like web design. So make it even smaller. Let's go a half and then move it down. Let's move it down by 150. Bum, bum, ba-da-bum. Okay, too small, but let's go to the planet and see if it shows up there. This is a cool looking planet. Let me clear the asteroids here. Oh, that one, it cuts it off. Well, I don't like that. That's another one where we just need to show the whole thing without cutting it off. Okay, so it still shows on the planet. We kind of don't have a way to dismiss that or the tutorial from the planet, so maybe we should make that a hotkey. Can we do that as a hotkey? So like, yeah. So it needs to be slightly bigger. And exit the desktop. Slightly bigger. So right here, window size. Let's go up to 100. And then move it slightly down a little more. And then the thing is, whoa, okay. This chair scares the crap out of me. So the thing is, yeah, well, for now, let's just see, make sure. Let's look at the aesthetics. Let's look at how it looks. Let's look at how it looks. Show me how it looks. Come on, come on, come on. Ba, 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 ba. Okay, so that looks good now. Whoops, crafting and trade. We're not getting the period in there, but that's fine. Okay, and then we've got stuff going on. Let's go to the nearest planet here. Boop, boop. Shows up on the planet. Okay, and yeah. Okay, so yeah, when we're on the planet, we're just going to be flying around with, or walking around like in Minecraft. So we need to make some way of interfacing with the tutorial and the objectives, because it's got the little X there, so it kind of doesn't make sense to show that, but because when you're in space, if you go back up, how do you beam me up, Scotty? Escape. Okay. So in here we can close them down. No problem, because we have the mouse. So is there another way to, let me see. But then we also have to tell the user how to do that, the player. Escape and pretty much back out of everything. So the show tutorial window, space, planet, show tutorial, window, planet, boom. So let's put it right here. Q should be what? Show hide tutorial. That's a little awkward because when they're on the planet, you know. But at least it shows up and they can see it. Q dismiss tutorial. And then, so the other thing that we want to show here is so then when the user hits Q, we need to respond to that in the process input. Sorry. Probably need to eat something. If keys glfw key q, then we want to go show objectives tutorial equals false. Show what's the other one? Show tutorial window planet equals false. Why are they both squiggly? Expression must be a modifiable L value. Are they not modifiable? Oh. Show tutorial planet and show objectives. Okay. Computer. Okay. Okay, so let's give that a try, although that will work in space as well, unless we change the game state to just be the planet, but I don't see why that would be the thing. So what we probably do is we could include that in here. See, because Q did not dismiss it. Oh, it dismissed that one. Oh, right. It doesn't dismiss that one. Why not? Oh, because that isn't how it determines? What? Show objectives tutorial. Okay, so let's just go like this. If show objectives. Okay, hold on, there's one more change. Hold on. Let me just verify. Oh, that graphic looks a lot better. Yeah. So this one, okay. That definitely got rid of it on this one. Okay. And it didn't get rid of it here, but that's because when I call it in the show objectives tutorial. Where's the other time that it's called? This is what? So now you can dismiss it either in space or on the... Okay, so then we just need to update the space tutorial to show that, and then we're good. Then we're good. Play. Q. Okay. So that dismisses it from the planet and from space. See, so it's gone. And we still have that, but whatever. That was the invisible block of weirdness. Okay. Okay. So in space, we want to show. So show tutorial window space. We want to include that, but where's the other? Show objectives tutorial. Show tutorial window planet. Yeah, let's show it before the able beam thing. Okay. Okay. Are we ready to move on to other things? Saving and loading. Ooh, saving and loading should be exciting. Saving and loading. Okay, dismiss tutorials. Beam down to planet is showing there. Ba, ba, ba. So now I'm wondering, is it too much to have the objectives at the bottom there? Because this is kind of the tutorial, and this is kind of your objectives, which is going to turn into quests. I think. Yeah, pretty sure. Pretty sure. So then you go B, you go back, you go B, you go there, you go there, you go there. Okay, Q, you go B, it's gone. Okay. So Q also dismisses the tutorial on the planet, but it doesn't dismiss this one. Hey, what's up, Infinite? I see. Oh, I just finished torturing myself for an hour, putting in basic objectives tutorial, which is really just 2 sentences. Tortured myself. I didn't want to do it. I didn't. I really didn't. But I had to do it. How are you? I had to do it. You've got to have direction in this game. You've got to know what's going on. So, okay. There's that. Added basic objectives tutorial. Dismissible. There we go. Now we can just take this out. Did that. Okay, next is saving and loading. I think I'm going to eat something, and then I will do saving and loading after I eat. Oh, I don't want to eat either. I don't. I just want to continue coding. Alright, well thanks for popping in, dude, but I'm going to end it, I think. That really took a lot out of me. I'm good. I need to finish my game Unti. The end of the jam. 3 days to the end. Dude, bro. Alright, let's see if we can raid Thor, Pirate Software. I'll be back later. I will be back later. Let's see. Let me watch. Pause music. Doesn't pause it with a space. Okay. So there's Thor. And let's go into the raid right there. There we go. Alright. I'll be back.